So the wait is finally over. The final cutoff marks have been declared for SEBI Grade A 2020 recruitment. So the cutoffs are on your screen now. Under general stream, the cutoffs for various reserved and unreserved categories are given in the last row. Right. So basically for candidates who cleared phase 2, that is appeared in the interview, these are the cutoffs. For unreserved category, it is 66. For others, they are lower, right? You can see 57 point something for SC, 51 point something for ST, and 60 for OBC. Now the question would be that there were two papers of 100 marks each, 100 for paper 1, 100 for paper 2. How come the cutoff can be 66? So guys, they have basically scaled it down. It seems, though it is not clear, it seems that basically whatever the weightage given to marks and whatever was the marks allotted to each of the exams, so out of that they have scaled these marks out of 100. So finally out of 100 the cutoff for phase 2 was 66, right? But the weightage of phase 2 was 85% also, right? So in the next slide, if you see, they would have further reduced this 66, which is out of 100, to 56.1 out of 85. That is my understanding if I try all the permutations and combinations, right? Now what is the final cutoff of phase 2 plus your interview, that is 69.24, right? So that's why I said that 66 marks cutoff, which is there in the last slide, cannot be out of 100, right? Because then just getting 3 marks in the interview, right, means that you would have cleared. That is not possible. So the interpretation can be that 66 marks is given out of 100. So they further scaled it out of 85 and then added the interview marks out of 15, and the final cutoff came out to be 69.24. So the calculation would be something like this. If you get 70 in paper 2, now since paper 2 has 2/3 weightage, that is double the weightage of paper 1, so it would be calculated out of 200. So 70 becomes 140. In paper 1, suppose you get 70 out of 100, you get total of 210 out of 300. Now this 210 is out of 300. Out of 85, if we try to find the equivalent marks out of 85, this will become 59.5. So this way they would have scaled your marks out of 85, right? So in my example, they come out to be 59.5, but the cutoff comes out to be something around 56 point something, which I explained in the last slide, right? So if somebody has got 59.5, he just needs to get 10 marks here to clear the overall cutoff of around 69.24. So overall, what we can say is that if you are getting consistently 70% marks, I am saying, in paper 1 and paper 2 and in the interview, you are through, right? So I hope this cutoffs would have gave you some clarity regarding the amount of competition, though I would not say that no, this should be the benchmark for the next year, because each year the exam is different, the difficulty level is different. So we should not read too much into these cutoffs, but yes, this will at least show you that what is the amount of competition there in the market, and it seems to be huge, because getting 70% in a competitive exam is not easy, especially the objective exam, right? So I hope you would take these cutoffs into account and you will prepare hard for the upcoming exams of various regulatory bodies. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.